Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Chrome and making sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the channel. Click the profile icon at the top right to confirm or switch accounts. This ensures you access the correct dashboard. Next, type youtube.com/dashboard into the address bar, or go to YouTube, then select Creator Studio from your profile menu. Doing this first saves time and prevents permission errors, so you can move straight to management tasks without logging out and back in. Once you're on the dashboard, focus on the core areas that control your channel. Start with the overview for an analytics snapshot, recent performance, and any urgent alerts. Then open content to manage uploads and playlists to organize videos. Visit analytics to dig into views, watch time, and audience metrics. Use the left menu to access copyright claims, monetization options, and settings. This central navigation speeds up administrative work and helps you diagnose issues without hunting through multiple pages. Finish by making final edits. Update titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and visibility settings, then save or schedule your changes. Double-check monetization and copyright status to avoid surprises after publishing. If you can't access the dashboard, first clear Chrome's cache and cookies, then disable extensions that block scripts or open an incognito window to rule out profile issues. If problems persist, sign out and back in, because session or permission glitches often resolve with a fresh login, allowing you to complete the task.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.